Hey there, auto enthusiasts and puzzle car owners. Ever been cruising down the street, feeling like the king of the road, when suddenly, knocking noise, what was that? If you've heard a mysterious knock when turning your car at low speed, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll be a car whisperer, understanding exactly what your vehicle is trying to tell you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on more automotive insights that could save you thousands in repairs. Now, let's get our hands dirty and uncover the secrets behind that unsettling knock. Common causes. Your car's knock could be coming from a few usual suspects. Let's meet our lineup. 1. Worn ball joints. Picture this. Your car's suspension system is like a fancy ball and socket joint in your body. When these wear out, it's like your car has creaky knees. 2. Damaged tie rod ends. These are the unsung heroes connecting your steering to your wheels. When they go bad, it's like your car has a loose tooth. 3. Failing CV joints. CV stands for constant velocity, but when these joints fail, it's constantly annoying. They're the flexible joints in your drive shaft. 4. Loose steering rack. If your steering feels as loose as a tooth ready to fall out, your steering rack might be the culprit. 5. Strut mount problems. These mounts are like the shock absorbers for your shock absorbers. When they wear out, every bump is a party your car doesn't want to attend. The silent troublemaker. But wait, there's an undercover agent in this mystery, low-power steering fluid. It's like trying to whisper with a dry throat. Your car's steering system needs its hydration to work smoothly. When it's low, air sneaks in, causing that annoying knock. Now, halfway through our investigation, let's take a quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend whose car sounds like it's auditioning for a percussion band. Diagnosing the issue. Time to put on your detective hat. Here's how you can start cracking the case. 1. Listen carefully. Is the noise coming from the left, right, or center? 2. Observe patterns. Does it happen only during left turns? Right turns? Both. 3. Visual inspection. Look for obvious damage. You might spot the culprit. 4. The steering test. With the car parked, turn the wheel fully in both, but remember, while playing car detective can be fun, some cases are best left to the professionals. If you're unsure, it's always best to consult a certified mechanic. Why you shouldn't ignore the knock. Now, you might be tempted to ignore that little knock, but here's why that's a bad idea. 1. Safety first. Worn steering components can lead to loss of control. Yikes! 2. Cost efficiency. Small problems can turn into big, expensive ones if ignored. 3. Performance. Your car should drive smoothly. Don't settle for less. Think of it this way. Would you ignore a persistent cough or a nagging toothache? Your car deserves the same attention. Preventative maintenance. Let's talk prevention. Here's how to keep the dreaded knock away. 1. Regular inspections. Make them a part of your routine maintenance. 2. Timely lubrication. Keep those joints greased and happy. 3. Alignment checks. Proper alignment prevents uneven wear. 4. Fluid checks. Keep an eye on that power steering fluid. Remember, a stitch in time saves 9. Or in this case, a checkup in time saves your car and your wallet. Conclusion. There you have it, folks. You're now equipped to understand what your car is trying to tell you when it goes knock-knock. Remember, a smooth, quiet ride isn't just luxurious. It's a sign of a healthy, happy car. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe for more automotive insights. Got any car mysteries you want us to solve? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep your ears open and your ride smooth.